North Sails Portsmouth has streamlined their customer sale tracking to 100% accuracy, saving time and improving customer satisfaction with RFID and the A2B Tracking platform. With sales constantly coming in, watch how North enters them into the A2B system.
So whenever you want to make a new tag for a sale that just showed up, it takes about a minute or less. You just scan your tag, enter the customer name, the type of sale, scan it with RF mode to commission it, enter your custodian, and your location. And now that sale is connected with this tag,